This special machine has been built for a German customer who needs to bend a small but thick reinforcement rings in really rigid material for the shipment sector. The difficulty of the project was to guide the small stripes during the whole rolling process, and the huge diameters of minimum 5,000 up to over 8,000 millimeters has been an interesting challenge. The new machine is equipped with a special infeed system, reinforcement sleeves and guiding bushes on all supports. All these accessories will improve visibly the result of the customer in respect to the past. The customer needed the horizontal solution as advantage, also for an easier handling of the welded section after the rolling process.